in office, our master trainer, Sir Noe. My name is Tutu Lagyalaon, founding president of the ASEAN Halal Academy, located in Barangay Harapan, Aparawan, Special Cafeteria, Bangsamoro, At the same time, I am soon to be Artista Accredited Assessor in
Inshallah.
Cultural. Before everything, may I request everybody to please stand up and for certain karawan ko for Doni Astagfirullah Mami. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, praise be to Almighty Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the master of the way of judgment, the sustainer, the cherisher and the sustainer. Amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Show us a straight way, straight path. Rabbi JDL Manor Tutuna Pahman, Walhamdulillah. Praise be Sibit. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Mr. Secretary, Honorable Benitez, the President, Coordinator, and Master Trainer, Sir Noe, for the ASEAN Halal Academy Manager, Sir, the ASEAN Halal Academy Processing Officer, and to all of you, so thank you very much for your visiting with us in our assessment center. But you don't have to worry about their presence because they are only oversee or observe with us the flow of the conduct of competitive assessment and check if the conduct of assessment is in accordance with the TISDA standard or methodology and they will not assist us, but be careful because they have a power to stop the assessment if we are going to violate the methodologies or the competitive assessment rules and procedures. So they have a power to stop the assessment activity. So before that, let me check the attendance of our training. So if I call your name, please stand up and go forward and write your complete name, legibly, and update your signature. At the same time, you present your admission statement. Okay. Mariam Aryama. Thank you. Next, we have Jalia Marusi. I have here with the place self-assessment guide. So this is an indication that you can perform all the units of competency on organic agricultural production. So this time, today I'm going to administer competency assessment. For organic agricultural production level 2. So this qualification level consists of 5 units of competencies. Namely, how to raise organic chicken and how to produce organic vegetables, how to produce organic fertilizer, which is yun yung i-assist natin ngayon sa ating mga training. We have to produce organic concoction and extract. And the last one is how to raise organic small ruminants. When we talk small ruminants, it includes goat, sheep, chicken, excluding yung large ruminant na carabao and cow. No? So hindi po kasama sila doon. So the main purpose of this assessment is to measure your skill and competencies. So, if you meet the required standard in all units, so you will be awarded a national certificate level 2. So if you fail to meet the required standard, you will be subject for reassess. Okay. So if you don't satisfy with the result, you are advised to make an appeal or by writing a formal letter addressed to the Provincial Office. So there are 2 ways now how to do organic unit of competency to produce organic fertilizer by consists of 2 activities. One is the field demonstration. Number 2 is the oral questioning. So in field demonstration, this is practical work, meaning we have to use materials for our PPE. PPE means personal protective equipment. You know? So if you go to the field to do field demonstration for the 5 uses, you must be prepared for safety issue. So kailangan yung may talo ka, may glove, no? Glove and this mask, this mask, Then, boats, no? Kung may long sleeve, the better, no? Tapos, meron kang daladalang pala, no? Para dun sa organic vegetable gardening, no? So, doon sa chicken, raise organic chicken, you must be identified the good health stock, meaning yung magandang lahi ng manok na walang deformities, walang sakit. Then you have to identify according to their female and male chick, kasi sa kung maliit pang manok, paano nyo malaman na yun ay babae o lalaki? So there is identification on the actual observation, no? Doon sa kanilang mga pakpak. Kasi kung straight yan, ibig sabihin babae. Kung hindi siya straight yung balahibo niya sa pakpak, hindi babae. So yun yung one. Tapos other technique, kung ipaganin mo yung chick, kung magalaw siya, lalaki. Kung hindi siya magalaw, ibig sabihin babae. Yun yung palatandaan. Mamaya, i-actual ko na. So, doon sa organic vegetable, so you must know the standard size of garden. Kasi meron standard size yan. So, kailangan 1 meter width. Tapos yung length niya, nasa iyo na kung ano yung hanggang kaya mo. Basta importante, yung weight niya ang pinaka-importante. 1 meter. Ang purpose doon, para hindi mo maapakan yung mga tanim doon sa garden. So doon sa compost fertilizer, ito yung using natin ngayon. Kung saan marami tayong stock ngayon sa ating Hudson Halal Academy, kung saan hinihintay natin yung procurement ng papat para pasahin. So, ang gagawin doon sa organic composting, you must prepare the area and raw materials. The raw materials to be used are usually pupupit, no? Yung galing sa pupuhas. Pangalawa is halal manure, no? Animal manure. Kasi bakit ito nasabi na halal? Dahil organic na eh. Kasi not all organic na halal. Depende yan sa raw materials. May mga organic animal manure na gaya ng galing sa hag, no? Hindi po yung halal. So, hindi po yung advisable na gagamitin natin doon sa organic halal composting. So, kasama rin po ang carbonated rice hull, CRH, no? Para hindi maging compact yung lupa. So, the last one, gagamit ka ng bio-inoculant, yung microorganism, para at least ma-pour into soil, yung composting mo to make the soil enhanced. Okay, so number 4, yung composition, no? May tinatawag na PPG, no? Plant produce, no? So, elimination para gawing foliar fertilizer ang resulta sa organic composition. Kasi kung composting, ang tawag doon, pag-apply, basal application. Kung liquid siya, ang tawag doon is foliar fertilizer. Okay. So, naintindihan mga Marian and Maria. Okay, assuming na hindi mo na tayo, no? Hindi mo nag-mix na mga compost posting. So, mamaya, tatanungin ko kayo, ano yung inyong nalalaman para sa ating evaluation. Kung talagang completed ba kayo, may natutunan tayo, o wala. Para kung wala, re-assessment ang mangyari. Okay? So, tawagin ko ngayon ang ating mga trainee para sa inyong evaluation. So, Ma'am Maria, please come over and I would like to share to you your result. Ma'am Maria, I recognize your effort, your dedication, that you try your best to study organic fertilizer. But sorry to say, there are big parts of the UC you miss. So, in other words, you are not competent. But just relax and you have time to review your UC. You are entitled to reassessment. So please claim your competence assessment result. Next, Ma'am Jalia. Congratulations. Thank you very much for your effort. All uses of class. So you're doing your good job. So once again, congratulations. Good job well done. And please claim your cards and picture to picture. National certificate legato will be sent to you via your email from 3 to 5 days working days. So wait for that. So once again, thank you very much. that's all. Thank you very much. See you again for our next endeavor. For the announcement, sa lahat ng mga gustong mag-aral ng Institute Scale, our Asan Halal Academy is welcome to you. So, once again,